Hello, good day, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Please share the broadcast. Today we're going to talk about the SBA. I'm going to show you how to do the application, do the PPP loan, do the elder loan, some info on the coronavirus, and let's get started. Go to www.bullettransportinc.com. Go to the home page. Click on blogs. Go all the way down. Click here. Click right here. This is the SBA. All the info's here. Everything is updated. The new Biden plan. But even better, you go back. Click here where it says free. And here you go. This is the application for the PPP. Fill out the top. Pretty straightforward. Initial. Print and give it to your banker, your lender. Here you got 18 pages of information here, instructions. Check that out. You go back, you got additional funding companies here. You got Blue Vine, Fountainhead, Cabbage, Square Capital, Biz to Credit, Nav, PayPal. Just check them out. And if you want me to do the application for you, you could click here on PayPal to check out. Okay, and then up here, this is regarding the coronavirus, how everything got started. Check that out. Go back. So here it is. SBA. President Biden announces important changes to the PPP, including a 2-week window for businesses with fewer than 20 employees. Learn more. So yeah, all the info's here. Don't forget, go to this website, www.bullettransportinc.com. Okay, until next time. Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.